Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu-alaikum warahmatullah. Today we will learn next two letters of this chapter, Sod, Dod. Let's start. The first letter of today's lesson is Sod. Makhraj of Sod is touch the tongue to the edge of the lower teeth and blow with soft sound. It is similar to Sa, but the difference is like A and O. Sa, Saw. Sa, Saw. Repeat with me. Saw, Saw, Saw. Don't say it like sa and don't make your lips round for saw. It is saw. The next letter is dod. Makhraj of dod is touch the right edge of the tongue to the right edge of the root of the mouth, or touch the left edge of the tongue to the left edge of the roof of the mouth, or touch both edges of tongue to both edges of roof of mouth. For ease, let us take just one side. I am taking the right side. Thwad. Practice with me. Thwad, thwad, thwad. If you have problems, do practice for some minutes every day and don't give up. It may take some time to get this, but inshallah you can. Try to practice this especially when you are free and alone while walking, driving, or doing household work. Don't say it as za, zo, za, do, or dod, or whatever. It is dod. Practice it, inshallah. You can speak it easily. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khairan kathira. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullah.